Hi everyone, I'm G, and in this video I'll be showing the project I built for scenario 1, which is the VA workshop assignment. I go through the landing page, the email templates, the SMS reminder, the automation, and then I'll show you a test submission so you can see everything working together. So let's get started. So this is the landing page I created for the workshop. The workshop is called the Jumpstart Your VE Career, and it's designed for aspiring virtual assistants who wants a path toward getting the first client. Right at the top is the main headline and supporting text from the assignment. I followed the provided copy and organized it in a way that's easy to read and easy to. Below is the registration form where visitors can enter their first name, last name, phone number, and email address. Once they submit the form, it triggers the automation that I'll show you later. I also added a button near the top of the page that take visitors directly to the registration form so they didn't have to scroll around looking for it. Farther down is the what you'll learn section. This highlights the key takeaways from the workshop, including how to start a VA business, identify the marketable skills, and avoid common mistakes that beginners often make. And at the bottom is the host section. This includes Sarah Reyes' photo, title, and the bio so visitors can learn more about who's running the workshop before registering. Overall, I kept the page clean, simple, and focused on getting visitors to sign up for the event. Next, I'll show you the email templates I created. We're going to go to marketing and the emails, then templates. Inside the template section, I created three separate emails. The first one is the booking confirmation. This is sent immediately after someone registers. It confirms their spot in the workshop and provides all the important details, including the schedule and the Zoom link. The second template is the 24-hour reminder email. This goes out one day before the event and serves as a reminder that the workshop is coming up soon. It also includes a few suggestions to help attendees prepare. And the third template is a 1 hour reminder email. This one is intentionally short since the goal is simply to remind people that the workshop is about to begin and make it easy for them to join. I also created an SMS reminder here in snippets. This is SMS reminder that gets sent 1 hour before the event. It includes the attendee's first name, the, a quick reminder, and a Zoom link. This message is short and straightforward, so it's easy to read on mobile devices. Next, I'll show you the automation. This automation ties everything together. This workflow starts when someone submits the registration form on the landing page. The first action adds a tag called class registrant. This makes it easy to identify everyone who registered for the workshop. After that, the workflow sets the event start time, which is what the reminder steps use as the reference point. Once that's done, the confirmation email is sent. immediately so the registrant receives instant confirmation that the registration was successful. 24 hours before the event and sends the reminder email. And after that, it waits again until 1 hour before the event. At that point, the final reminder email is sent, followed by the SMS reminder. At that point, the final reminder email is sent, followed by the SMS. Everything runs automatically after the initial form submission. So there isn't any manual follow up required. The workflow is published and active, which means it's easy to process and ready for the next for the new registration. I mean. Then to make sure that everything was working properly, I submitted a test registration. We will check the contacts. Here in the contact section, you can see the test contact that was created. The information from the form was captured correctly, including the name, phone number, and the email address. You can also see that the class registrant tag was applied, which confirms that the workflow started successfully. Here inside the contact record, we can see the activity history shows the action that were triggered after the form submission. Lastly, we're going to check the confirmation email that was delivered after I submitted the form. You can see the personalized greeting, the workshop details, the some information included in the email. Receiving this email confirms that the workflow triggered correctly and that the email was sent successfully. And that's the completed workthrough for my scenario 1 project. I show the landing page, email templates, and the SMS reminder, the automation workflows, and the test submission used to verify everything was working correctly. Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my presentation. Bye.